So what is our employee number?
It's 056.
Is yeah, this is the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to maintain the bank details, right?
Yeah.
So which is info type 9.
Yeah.
So how you are getting these all the details, PE, postal code, city and bank, country?
Is it from the employee details like address?
Yeah. So from a payee name, it is coming from, it is defaulting from info type 2,
Okay.
and postal code city it is coming from and the country it is coming from the 6.
Okay.
Okay, and you have here different payment methods like cash, check and transfer, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you are giving transfer, then bank key and bank account number is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So otherwise, if you are giving the cash, okay, so means cash or check. So these things are not mandatory. See, blank is cash, C is check, A is transfer. So if
Okay.
you are giving check cash, so it will not ask bank key and bank account number. Okay,
Yeah.
otherwise if you see, if you give the transfer, for transfer, see, without a bank key and bank account you cannot transfer, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So these are the mandatory. So these bank keys are created by this finance guys. They will create us. So you just select anything and just give the bank account number.
Yeah. So here, when
Okay.
when you click in the payment method and the drop down comes like T transfer, C check, bank blank is bank transfer, cash. So if I want
Yeah.
to add any other field in that, say for example, I want to keep blank for something else, like I don't want to decide the payment method when I enter the employee details.
Okay.
Is it possible to add any items in this menu?
Here, yeah, it is possible. So I'll show you. Go to SPR. So personal management. Actually, there is a T code called FPZT. This is the T code, or else you have the path called PMBA. Okay, personal related. This is a payment method, right? So here you can create, see here, paying company host payment methods in country. So for US or Australia, you can create a new payment method here.
Okay.
Okay, see. For Australia, okay, these are the allowed payment methods. If you want to create a new one, just do one thing. Just copy this, okay, instead of Z, save it. Otherwise, for testing, we are doing it for USA, right? You can just go to US.
Doing now.
So payment methods, this is for country and this is for company code. You need to allow this as for company code also. So for US it's 3000, right?
Yeah.
So 3000, just copy this 3000 and here instead of what's that, okay. This is the T code if you want to see, I told you, right? OBVU, but it's this is FPZP. FPZP,
Finance
right?
T code.
Yes,
Okay.
you can directly come to share
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
without the path.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then, for the testing part, just go back and click on create. Right? Then, okay, so 207 is there for US. This is tax area. So this will be maintained automatically when you will save this info type 6, right?
Yeah.
This is info type 206. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is a tax info type for US. Okay, so it will be maintained defaultly, means dynamically when you saving info type 6.
Okay.
Okay, so if
Yeah.
you see, no, which is selected 6. So see here, this we are not maintained. See, it is created on 16/3/2007, means which is nothing but it's your system date. Like
Oh.
here you have status, right? So here previous logon, right? This is system date, means your server date.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Got it.
so this is created on this date, which means which we maintain, means which we set up that employee on that date. So this
Okay.
6 is, so tax, residence tax means right?
No, I'm not aware of residence tax term.
Means in US we have different types of taxes, right?
Yeah.
Residence tax area means residence tax means like residence tax is nothing but your there are different taxes like federal tax, state tax, okay, district and local municipality, county kind of taxes, and unemployment tax. Means tax means that is nothing but a tax, not a tax. It's nothing but insurance. Federal is
Okay.
nothing but it's total countrywide, right?
Yeah.
So like income tax in India.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
So and this is means federal tax is deducted based on this. See here, federal, which is nothing but uh, country tax, and NY is nothing but state tax. So if you have any district, municipality, school taxes, those will come under this. Means first priority. This is coming on priority basis. A is nothing but first priority. B is the second priority.
Oh, yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
this will be defaulted based on your info type 6. Okay, there you will give the state, right? So based on the state, you will get this tax areas. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So then we'll have 208, that is work tax. So work tax is nothing but, so means sometimes employee will stay in one state and works in other state, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So in that cases, if you have, that depends on the state to state and state to federal agreements. If employee is staying in New York, working in Georgia, or, okay, so then they need to pay the tax in the working, for the working state.
Okay.
Okay. So then you need to
Yeah.
maintain that area here, and the allocation like means you sometimes some employees will work 30-40% in one state and 60% in other state. So that allocation you need to maintain, means 40% is working in a different state. That tax area and the percentage you need to maintain here.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
This is work tax, and this other one is unemployment state. This is not a tax, but this is like kind of insurance. Okay, it's called SUTA and FUTA. SUTA is nothing but state unemployment, okay, tax, and federal unemployment
Yeah.
tax. Like tax means this most of is will paid by the employer only, right? Whenever they are terminated, so the employee will get some, okay,
Yeah.
amount for their basic needs.
Yeah.
So here you need to maintain that tax authority. Means authority is nothing but a kind of state. Okay, so Alaska,
Oh,
Alabama,
okay.
Atlanta, or whatever.
Yeah.
And then you have a W4 information. This is nothing but your, Form 16, right?
Yes.
So it is nothing but a Form 16 kind of thing in US. Okay, so you will, every year we will, means at the end of the financial year, the company will issue the W2 and W4 forms, W2 form for tax filing. So in this, here you will maintain the filing
Okay.
status, whether you are single or single, head of the household, married filing jointly, separately. Okay,
Yeah.
it depends on your number of dependents, you will get some exemption.
Okay.
Okay, see, you are single, but you are the head of household, means based on, means, okay, based on your earning, 3 to 4 people are, okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then your number of people means into the some exemption will be there. Okay, means like $100 or from $50, that depends. Okay, every year it will be changing. Okay, so means single, but you are only single, then you will not have any exemption. Single but head of the household, single, okay. See here, allowances is there, right? Exemptions. Then okay, so
Yeah.
based on here you will get the exemption amounts, allowances based on your filing status. Married, for example, married, filing jointly, filing separately, you will have. So you will get the exemptions based on your filing status.
Okay.